Bad news is time flies. The good news is you are the pilot. We have to learn to be the entrepreneurs of our careers. A man of his word is worth a million who are not. A smile is a reflection of what's in your head, free to give and priceless to receive. As humans, we have five senses, but perhaps the most important sense is a sixth sense, the sense of humor. As I am sitting here stuck on what to write, it suddenly dawned on me to just start, write something, make a decision, and take action. So many of us overthink and underact, paralyzes by analysis. Want to grow, then go, go, go. Be a loser. Lose the extra weight, lose the fear, lose the comfort zone that you live in. Lose the friends that drain your battery, lose the remote, and lose the negative self-talk. Be different to be remembered, be better to be bought. Be true to yourself before anyone else. Do you love you? Would you choose yourself as a best friend? If not, why not? Do you need to be more fun, loving, giving, positive, and humble? Remember, wherever you go, there you are. Love yourself and you will always be in good company. Emotion is why. People why, logic tells them why. Focus, clarity, direction, these are key attributes of top achievers. Zero in on specifically what you want to accomplish, but blinders on and have single lens of purpose. Be like a laser beam, not a flashlight. Go crazy over your friends and family. Go crazy hitting your goals. Go crazy over your passions. Go crazy over your health. Go crazy over everything that matters most in your life. If people like the way you act, they will act the way you be like. If success was easy, everyone would be successful. It's been said. We are the sum total of five closest friends. So who are you hanging out with? If it is with dogs, you will get the fleas. If it is with eagles, you will soar. Choose wisely. Just ask, think about all the times you wanted to approach someone, call someone, or ask for something, and your fear, negative self-talk, or self-limiting beliefs held you back. Of course, you always regret it. Remember, the answer is always no, unless you ask. Life's challenges are like a roll of film. They start out negative, but with proper processing, they can develop into something picture perfect. Look for opportunity and you will find it. Act on the opportunity and you will live it. Most of us search for new and better ways of doing things when we have not even tried the old proven ways yet. My passion, purpose, and profession is helping individuals break through barriers, overcome obstacles, and achieve those goals that have just been out of reach. One of my passions has always been helping people grow, whether that means as an employee, as a job seeker, or as an entrepreneur. One of the most valuable lessons my mother ever taught me, she said, don't just treat people special on their birthday, treat them special every day as if it is their birthday. Sometimes you have to look past the pen to find your window of opportunity.